Okay, today for me it's been a long awaiting uh, process to get this drone. It is a Sjrc F11 Pro. I ordered it October 5th. Due to some shipping delays and back orders, I finally got it the other day on the 1st. Uh, to my surprise, it didn't come in a box. It just came in this bag. So we're opening it up. We'll take a look at what we get. Right here's the controller. I know this drone has been on the market in some form or another for almost a year now. The original F11 released last January. This is the newer version of it. You basically just get a updated camera. From what I understand, all the rest of the flight characteristics are the same. Battery's the same. I bought the I guess I gotta open this one first. I bought the 2 battery kit. So I got 2 batteries, the case, the controller, and the drone for a tad under $190. I think it was $188. I think it looks pretty good. It's a nice size, not overly big. There's the camera, adjust, SD slot. It's got lights on the bottom. I like that it has the lights on the face. Hopefully that'll help me identify the front from the back easier. This is my first go at a better or nicer drone, however way you want to look at it. An entry-level drone. I had a lot of fun flying, crashing, tele drones. I like them. They're compact. I can launch it in a matter of seconds. But unfortunately, due to my neglect of the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi interference problems, I've had quite a few of them just fly away on me. So from what I can understand, these antennas aren't real. They don't really do much for you. There's what it looks like with the phone intact. It's got a nice feel. It's actually checking out the little how-to video. But yeah, so far so good.